How to follow someone on Roblox. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch your Roblox application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, tap on the search bar or the magnifying glass icon at the top of the screen. Here, what you simply need to do is tap on the search bar and search for any of the person or the people that you would want to follow. Then tap on the people option and here you'll be able to see different options. So I'm going to select a random profile over here, and simply what you can do is swipe up and here you can get the option of view full profile. So let's tap on view full profile, and as you do that you'll be able to see the full profile of that particular person that you would want to follow. Now at the right side of the screen you can see the three dotted lines, so simply tap on it and here you can see the option of follow. So let's tap on follow and there you go. You have followed someone on Roblox. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.